Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Hidden inside America's giant factories lies a colorful invention used by billions across the world. From schools to offices, crayons became one of humanity's most powerful creative tools. But few people know how simple wax transforms into endless colors.
Our team traveled deep inside America's largest crayon factories to uncover the secret process.
Engineers carefully design every crayon to survive heat, pressure, and endless creativity.
Crayons are no longer just for kids. They are now used in art studios and creative industries worldwide.
The global crayon business generates millions of dollars every single year.
From classrooms to professional design offices, crayons remain a symbol of human creativity.
Every crayon begins with massive shipments of industrial wax. Special pigments give every crayon its unique identity. Raw wax is purified before entering production. Inside these chambers, solid wax transforms into liquid color.
Perfect heat control is critical for smooth crayons.
Powerful machines blend wax and pigments into flawless mixtures. The factory operates non-stop to meet global demand.
Scientists constantly inspect consistency and quality. Thousands of gallons move through this giant system every hour. This is where crayons finally begin to take shape. Every second, thousands of crayons are formed. Industrial cooling systems lock each crayon into its final form. The factoring speed is almost unbelievable. Even tiny imperfections are removed immediately. Nothing goes to waste inside this billion-dollar operation.
Advanced robotics handle massive production with incredible accuracy.
Millions of crayons travel through these lines every day. Every crayon receives its famous protective label.
Precision printing ensures every color is instantly recognizable.
Human inspection still plays a critical role.
Hundreds of crayons are wrapped every minute. Behind every crayon is an enormous industrial process.
Digital systems guarantee perfect packaging quality.
Crayons are grouped into boxes for schools and stores.
Packaging design helps crayons stand out worldwide. Thousands of packs are prepared for shipping daily. Production moves at lightning speed.
Every crayon must deliver smooth, rich color.
Even tiny color variations are carefully monitored.
Perfection is required before shipping. AI systems now inspect millions of products instantly.
Logistic teams prepare worldwide deliveries. These crayons will soon reach homes across the planet.
Look at this incredible artwork behind us. It represents the vibrant spirit of our community, a spirit we must nurture every single day.
Crayons have become tools for professional art.
Branding transformed crayons into cultural icons.
Perfect.
Few products have shaped childhood creativity like this.
I'm so happy with how this turned out. The colors just pop, don't they?
The future of crayons is becoming more sustainable.
Factories are reducing waste with advanced technology.
Artificial intelligence now controls factory efficiency.
Tomorrow's factories may operate almost entirely with machines.
Modern factories now produce crayons in every imaginable form.
All right, easy now. Lift it slowly.
Innovation keeps the industry growing. American factories supply crayons to the entire world. The Rainbow Empire never stops producing.
Everything begins again with simple blocks of wax.
Millions of crayons are created every single day.
Automation transformed crayon manufacturing forever. Color became a universal language.
One factory can supply millions across continents.
Quality remains the heart of the industry.
New technologies are shaping the next generation of crayons.
And the color changing ones react to heat.
This is the best thing I've ever done. I'm really happy with how the colors turned out.
Advanced chemistry creates stronger and brighter colors.
The scale of production is truly massive.
And that's the last one. Looks great, right?
This colorful empire powers imagination around the globe.
From glowing wax rivers to billions of crayons shipped worldwide. This is the unseen power inside America's largest crayon factory. If you love seeing how everyday products are made on a massive scale, like this video and subscribe to Vault of Civilization. For more incredible manufacturing journeys, thanks for watching and keep creating.
The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.